Eyewitness weather forecast.
Good evening, meteorologist Dan Masasi here. Through checking on the weather, we're looking at a time lapse of downtown Utica throughout the day today. We did have partly cloudy skies as well as temperatures starting off in the teens and getting into the lower 30s by the afternoon hours, though with a slight breeze out of the east-southeast. Those feels like temperatures were actually in the 20s. Now for current conditions, we're sitting at 27 degrees and we have those winds out of the east-southeast at 6 miles per hour. Now for our low temperatures tonight, we're not going to be getting as cold as last night, though still pretty chilly in the teens and lower 20s. 17 there in Old Forge, 23 in Utica, and 22 in Little Falls. Now for our high temperatures tomorrow, we're going to be in the 30s and the 20s. 29 there in Old Forge, 37 in Utica, as well as Ilion, 36 in Cooperstown, and 35 in Oneonta. Now tomorrow is the winter solstice, which actually marks the first day of winter. It's going to be starting at 10:58 a.m. and it's actually the shortest day of the year. We're going to have just under 9 hours of daylight. Our sunrise is going to be at 7:29 a.m. The sunset at 4:28 p.m. and we will start gaining daylight as we head past tomorrow. So about a month from now, January 21st, we'll have a little over half an hour of extra daylight. And if you are already counting down the days until spring, it's going to be on March 20th. So we still have a couple of months to go. Now for our future cast, as we move it forward throughout tonight, we'll be seeing those mainly cloudy conditions, then a couple of light flurries possible in the morning hours for northern Oneida as well as the North Country. Then as we head into the afternoon hours, it'll fizzle out. We'll still have a couple of clouds sticking around just down south of the Mohawk Valley, though mainly clear conditions for Tuesday evening. Now as we head throughout Tuesday night into Wednesday, we'll be seeing those clouds increasing again, and then a couple of scattered snow showers late Wednesday morning. That'll continue throughout the afternoon and evening hours as well. Now, if you are planning on traveling for tomorrow, so on Tuesday, if you're going to be visiting Grandma and Grandpa in the north central U.S., so northern Michigan, Wisconsin, areas like that, you'll be seeing those snow showers, and then in the northwest, rain and snow. Though as we head into the southeast, we will have some scattered snow showers, as well as some thunderstorms possible in areas like Florida. Though for the central United States, as well as the southwest, we'll be seeing pretty calm weather conditions. Now to recap for tonight, we'll have mostly cloudy skies with winds out of the southwest 5 to 15 miles per hour and a low temperature of 23 degrees. Then for tomorrow, like I said before, you might see a light flurry in the morning hours, winds out of the west 2 to 10 miles per hour, and a high temperature of 37 degrees. Now for your 7-day forecasts, we will be seeing the first day of winter tomorrow, and our high temperature is going to be 37 degrees. We do have some snow showers expected on Wednesday, then a little bit of calmer weather for Thursday and Friday. Now for Christmas Day, it looks like we're going to be seeing a wintry mix, though that is subject to change because we are a couple of days out. We'll have some calmer weather on Sunday and on Monday. And for our high temperatures throughout the 7-day forecast, pretty much staying in the 30s, and our nights are going to be in the teens and the 20s. Jamie?
So a wintry mix for Christmas.
Yeah, but it still could change.
White Christmas.
We could be seeing a little more snow or a little more rain. It just depends on what those temperatures are going to be at.
Well, I mean, who doesn't wish for a rainy, icy...
Well, fingers crossed. I'm hoping for a white Christmas.
So fingers crossed for that white Christmas.
Fingers crossed.
Thanks, Dan. Here's a look at what's coming up tonight.
Now, your Eyewitness weather forecast.
Chilly today, starting off in the teens and 20s, but check out this beautiful sunset we had at the end of the day. We had plenty of sunshine later in the day, some cirrus clouds coming in, but adding to a beautiful, beautiful end of the day for us today. Not the shortest day of the year. That will be tomorrow. Tomorrow will be a full 2 seconds shorter than today. After that, we start gaining daylight. And the winter solstice technically happens tomorrow morning at 10:58 a.m. We will see the day starting to get longer after that. And actually, by this time next month, we will have already gained 33 minutes of daylight. So even though we only gained 2 seconds of daylight from Tuesday to Wednesday, it'll be noticeable by next month. You'll notice that sun setting later and eventually the sun starting to rise earlier as well, though our latest sunrises of the year actually happen next month before that starts to get earlier and earlier. And we're looking forward to our first day of spring just 90 days from today, March 20th of next year. Now tonight, temperatures get down into the teens in the North Country, low 20s for the rest of us, 22 in Cooperstown. It'll be a frosty start tomorrow. We'll get only a couple of degrees warmer tomorrow than we did today. 30 is the high in Old Forge, 37 in Utica, 36 in Cooperstown for your Tuesday. And this is about what we would expect for this time of year. Temperatures are right near normal for mid to late December. Now tomorrow in our neck of the woods will be nice and quiet. So if you're traveling to see family in New England, Pennsylvania, no weather concerns there. The only snow concern really for tomorrow's travel will be up in Minnesota, parts of Wisconsin and Michigan as well. And then thunderstorms expected for us down in Florida. If you're heading to see the grandparents, maybe some turbulence headed down towards that way. We've got showers along the coast all the way up into about Virginia, and just a small chance for a little rain and snow in the Pacific Northwest and parts of California, but plenty of sunshine in between, all dry and clear throughout the central part of the U.S. Not a bad day for flying, actually, as far as snow goes this time of year. Very relatively small area dealing with that. Now, for us overnight tonight, we stay nice and dry. We do have a small chance for some snow up in the North Country later on tonight, and that'll translate to a small chance for flurries for the rest of us in the morning tomorrow. But in the afternoon, we get into some nice sunshine here. It'll be nice and quiet. Same for tomorrow night as well. As we get into Wednesday, that'll be our one chance during the week this week for some snow. You can see it'll be very scattered, kind of off and on here on Wednesday. Not expecting much to accumulate at all, but it will be getting very breezy and cold there on Wednesday. Lake effects possible after that as well. So mostly cloudy overnight tonight, nice and dry, down into the lower 20s. We'll manage mid-30s tomorrow afternoon, not much better than today. Just a small chance for a flurry in the morning. Then we're nice and quiet with some sunshine in the afternoon. Wednesday's when we have that chance for some snow showers off and on. Very windy Wednesday night. Be prepared for that. It's a cold and breezy start to the day Thursday, but the weather's fairly quiet at the end of the week. Our next storm we're watching, that looks to arrive the night before Christmas and be affecting us during the day, Christmas Day. Looks like rain and snow right now. Temperatures will be warm relatively for a snowstorm, getting into the upper 30s it looks like, but of course Dan and I will be keeping a very close eye on that Christmas storm for you all week long.
Thanks, Colleen.
Yeah.
Still to come tonight on Eyewitness News. First at 10, sports director David Edelstein has final scores from tonight's games. That's next.
On WUTR.
Colleen, we've made it to the last day of fall, and Christmas is just 5 days away.
It's coming up quick. Luckily, lots of quiet weather this week leading up to it. I know many are kind of running around, getting those last minute
ready to
gifts
travel
in and getting ready to travel as well. Tomorrow, a good day for travel. In our neck of the woods, it will be nice and quiet. If you're headed to Minnesota, Wisconsin, Michigan, maybe dealing with a little bit of snow. If you're headed towards the Florida area, maybe some turbulence. We do have that chance of thunderstorms in that area tomorrow and some showers up along the southeast coast. Just a little rain and snow in the Pacific Northwest, but plenty of sunshine in the middle of the state. So really, really good, nice and quiet if you're headed to New England or down to Pennsylvania, places like that. A nice quiet day for us. We'll be up to 37 here in Utica tomorrow, 20s tomorrow night, and then it's a little breezy on Wednesday with some scattered snow showers. It'll be especially windy Wednesday night. Try saying that 10 times fast. Windy Wednesday night and down into the teens. So a cold start to the day on Thursday, but fairly quiet there at the end of the week. A little cloudy, highs in the 30s. Our next storm comes through on Christmas Eve night and Christmas Day with some rain and snow. After that, it looks quiet again for Sunday and Monday for the return travel from the holiday.
Sounds good. Thanks, Colleen. And thank you for staying up with us tonight. We'll see you back here again tomorrow. Have a great night.